Question number 1. Surah Ankabut means A. Cat, B. Cockroach, C. Horse, D. Spider. Correct answer is D. Spider. Question number 2. Who did the first step on moon? A. Neil Armstrong, B. Prince Suleiman Al Masood, C. Nimrod Salim, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Neil Armstrong. Question number 3. First President of USA. A. John Adams, B. George Washington, C. Maria Easted, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. George Washington. Question number 4. Largest river in volume is A. Nile, Egypt, B. Amazon, Brazil, C. Indus, Pakistan, D. None of these. Correct answer is D. Amazon, Brazil. Question number 5. How many kings accept Islam when Holy Prophet sent them letters? A. 2 kings, B. 3 kings, C. 4 kings, D. 6 kings. Correct answer is C. 4 kings. Question number 6. Which country is the largest internet user in the world? A. China, B. Russia, C. USA, D. Indonesia. Correct answer is A. China. Question number 7. Which is the first rocket launched by Pakistan? A. Shaheen, B. Reber, C. Hataf, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Reber. Question number 8. The old name of Quetta is A. Kalachi, B. Shakot, C. Nerumkot, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Shakot. Question number 9. Namaz Taraweeh is A. Wajib, B. Farz, C. Sunnat, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Sunnat. Question number 10. Which is the most spoken language of world? A. Chinese, B. English, C. Spanish, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Chinese. Question number 11. Which is the world's biggest museum? A. National Museum, China, British Museum, London, Madras Museum, India, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. British Museum, London. Question number 12. How many surahs start from name of prophets? A. 4 surahs. B. 5 surahs. C. 6 surahs. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. 6 surahs. Question number 13. Which country has no railway? A. Indonesia. B. Turkey. C. USA. D. Afghanistan. Correct answer is D. Afghanistan. Question number 14. Golden Gate Bridge is located in A. Washington. B. London. C. San Francisco. D. None of these. Correct answer is C. San Francisco. Question number 15. The major part of Holy Quran is revealed at dash time. A. Day. B. Night. C. A and B both. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Night. Question number 16. Which continent has no desert? A. Europe. B. Antarctica. C. Asia. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Europe. Question number 17. Which country is the largest diamond producer in the world? A. China. B. South Africa. C. Australia. D. USA. Correct answer is C. Australia. Question number 18. When was first hijacking done? A. 1952. B. 1956. C. 1962. D. 1966. Correct answer is B. 1956. Question number 19. White flag is the symbol of A. Obedience. B. Respect. C. Population. D. Truce. Peace. Correct answer is D. Peace. Question number 20. Who translated Holy Quran in Persian? A. Shah Waliullah. B. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. C. Hafiz Lakwi. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Shah Waliullah. Question number 21. Jahangir tomb is located in A. Lahore. B. Karachi. C. Islamabad. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Lahore. Question number 22. Who is known as Adam Isani? ए हज़रत आदम अलैहिस्सलाम, बी हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम, सी हज़रत इब्राहीम अलैहिस्सलाम, डी हज़रत नूह अलैहिस्सलाम। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी हज़रत नूह अलैहिस्सलाम। Question number 23. Who is the founder of chemistry? A. Ibn al-Hisham, B. Ibn al-Arabi, C. Jabir bin Hayyan, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Jabir bin Hayyan. Question number 24. Who was the first Muslim surgeon? A. Hazrat Jafar Sadiq, B. Muhammad bin Zakaria, C. Jabir bin Hayyan, D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Muhammad bin Zakaria. Question number 25. SAARC was formed in A. At December 1985, B. At January 2007, C. To April 2007, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. At December 1985.